Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match number 20 opens up with our autonomous period. Robots come alive all by themselves. 148 and 103 quick to the middle line to launch in 2 extra notes for this Red Alliance. Blue Alliance seems to be stuck where they are. Team 27 trying to do the same. We got 7 notes scored for blue, 8 notes scored for red with a score of 44 to 39. Moving into our teleoperated period. This time humans are going to take control. Team 27 first to the jump over in that blue amplifier, launching one in. As their partners 41-46 seems to be parked up against that subwoofer and hopefully get them moving in just a minute. 148 first over to the Red Alliance. Amp launching one in. Can they grab that second note and move towards the amplification? I think they can. And they've got it. 45-93 lining themselves up in order to score a couple extra into that Red Alliance speaker, getting themselves locked and loaded to capitalize as best they can on the amplification. Red Alliance lighting it up with a score of 52 to 44, taking the most as they can. 1, 2, 3. Can they make it 4? Almost notes scored in that amplified speaker. That's an extra 15 points for them. Blue Alliance currently amplified as well. Team 27, Team Rush, sinking in 2 shots into that blue amplified speaker, narrowing that gap and taking the lead with a score of 64 to 64. We've got a little over a minute left to play. It's anybody's game. Plenty of notes to be scored, plenty of amplifications to be had. 148, the Robo Wranglers, first jumping into that speaker for the Red Alliance. They are currently amplified, and can they grab those rebounds and launch them in? Their partners 103 trying to help them out and shortening those cycle times with a little bit of crash bang boom in the center of the field. Team 27 trying to grab one of those midline notes and return it back for the Blue Alliance. 1, 2 in for blue as they are currently amplified and their partners 41-46 come alive. We got 1 point separating these 2 teams. It's going to come down to the amplification. Red Alliance currently amplified, and we'll see what they can do. How many notes will they score and extend that lead a little bit further? It looks like they got 1 in, 1 right in at the buzzer to bring them up to 95. 148 lining themselves up with that guitar riff means it's time to transition towards our end games. Teams are going to make their way over to the stage and try to climb on up. Human players have been released to try to score some notes up on the microphones. We got hooks deployed all across the field. 2 robots up for blue. Looks like 2 robots up for red. Can they make it 3 at the buzzer? Currently 96 to 86 in favor of red, taking the win with a score of 105 to 93. Red Alliance walking home with 3 ranking points. Both of these alliances taking home the Melody ranking point. It looks like speaker points are going to make the difference here in match number 20, and we will be back for match